I was diagnosed with intractable disease, in Japanese. Maybe I will die tomorrow. So that's the whole story that I decided to learn in another country with my disease. I dyed my hair to golden. Guten Tag, I'm Yamato from Japan, studying at a German university. During my first summer vacation, I'm currently coming back to Japan once and enjoying my home country. But sadly, this is one day before the flight to go back to Berlin, so tonight I'm gonna make dinner for my family members, as you can see. Since I came back here for the first time in more than 10 months, I realized and remembered a lot of experiences that I had in Japan. So the topic of today's video is why I decided to enter a German university with an intractable disease and without any experience of going abroad after my graduation from my high school. So today I'm gonna cook hamburger for my family because it was the most delicious food that I made in Germany. Today I'm going to talk about how I grew in Japan for 18 years, why I got interested in learning English, and my biggest decision that I made when I was a high school student. I was born in Japan in 2005 in the prefecture called Fukushima. My birthday is February 9th and I'm still 19 years old. So of course I don't drink any alcohol in Japan. Both of my parents are pure Japanese. They basically can't really communicate in English. I have a 1-year older sister who is working in Australia as a working holiday and a wolf from the beginning of this October. And I also have a 3-year younger sister who can speak Korean really fluently. When I was an elementary school student, I didn't really have a chance to study English, so I of course couldn't really speak. But fortunately, I really respected American cultures because I loved watching animated movies from the States. For example, Ice Age, How to Train Your Dragon, Monsters Inc., or those other, masterpieces. So when I was a kid, I first got interested in learning English and speaking English fluently. And after that, I entered a local public junior high school. I started learning English mainly through classes, and I also wrote some diaries in English with the grammar that I learned that day. In my class, I was kind of better than other students regarding the study of English, but still, I didn't have any ability to communicate with the native English speakers. And then after the enrollment of my high school, there was a huge turning point of my life. In Japan, we basically start taking the enrollment exams when we enter our high schools. I studied hard and I finally passed the entrance exam of high standard high school in my area of the prefecture. My high school life was amazing. I made a lot of good friends through my club activities where I played the guitar and sang in a band, and English as well. I started talking with assistant language teachers from the Philippines and New York City, and I gained the ability to communicate in English with the confidence. My life was kind of big. And guess what happened? Gradually, I got really slammed with the study to enter Japanese university. I was also busy with my club activities, and I broke up with my girlfriend. And through those obstacles of my second grade, that was in winter, I remember, I got sick, and after that, I was diagnosed with having a intractable disease called in Japanese.
大変だったね。
大変だったまあ不登校まで行かないけどさ、結構朝毎朝送ってもらったり、学校に行くのが辛くてっていうよりかは、だんだん行けなくなってくると、途中から学校行くのとかも、その授業の途中からとか辛かったから。That was a intractable disease on my intestine. The scientists and doctors didn't really find any effective ways to cure my disease, and I also missed a lot of classes, partly because I need to go to hospitals frequently, partly I didn't really want to go to school in the middle of classes. And of course that was one of the most hardest experiences of my life ever. But now I feel like that was a necessary experience to improve my life. When I got sick, I felt like maybe I will die tomorrow, maybe I can't live more 10 years. Actually, it's not that disease, but I didn't really experience those disability of my life. And then I realized that I should challenge to myself as soon as possible when I can stay healthy. And then I changed my mind from studying in Japanese university and studying abroad for a few months to entering a university in another country. So that's the whole story that I decided to learn in another country with my disease, which is permanently difficult to cure and without any experience of going and studying law. So since then I studied something called realistic way to study in another country. Because of the advantages of studying in Germany, I decided to do so, but that was kind of late. I decided to study in Germany in October of my final 3rd grade. I've already made a video about the advantages and disadvantages of studying in Germany after spending 10 months there, so you can check it on my YouTube channel.
Are you afraid to take the plunge? Are you scared of stepping outside your comfort zone? I learned a valuable lesson at 16. We should take responsibility for our own decisions and choices. We can't always expect things to go according to plan. Are you interested in studying abroad or traveling to another country? Do you want to challenge yourself with something new? If so, I encourage you to take action and make your dreams a reality. If you have any aspirations or goals, please share them in the comments and I'll be happy to discuss them with you. I hope this video inspires you to step outside your comfort zone and pursue your passions. Peace.
うまいね。